What if you could create a complete AI generated video just by typing a prompt? Not just image, not just a voiceover, but fully generated video with motion, lighting, cinematic camera angles, sound design, and intelligent editing, all created through a simple conversation. And that's exactly what Google Gemini Omni Flash is designed to do. In this video, we will understand what Omni Flash is, how it works, how you can use it for text to video generation, image to video transformation, and AI powered video editing. We will also explore how to write effective prompts to produce professional quality AI videos. Now, before we move ahead, just a quick info, guys. Simplilearn has got professional program in generative AI and machine learning in collaboration with ENICT Academy of IIT Kanpur in collaboration with Microsoft. This program is going to help you master modern AI tools and frameworks which are used in modern applications. Now, here are some of the key highlights of this program. First, you're going to master 30 plus AI ML tools. You're going to work on 18 plus hands-on industry projects across HR, marketing, finance, and many more. You're also going to attend expert-led IIT Kanpur masterclasses and campus immersion sessions. And you are going to progress from data science fundamentals to advanced generative AI skills in just 11 months. After that, you're going to learn agentic AI workflows using tools like Claude and OpenClaw. And finally, you are going to gain AI-powered job assistance and career support. So guys, hurry up now and join the course. The course link is mentioned in the description box. Now here is a short quiz to test your knowledge. And the question is, what is the primary purpose of Google Gemini Omni Flash? And your options are image editing only, text to video in AI video generation, audio transcription, or data analysis only. Please mention your answers in the comment section below. So let's get started. So guys, first let us try to understand what exactly is Google Omni Flash. Google Omni Flash is officially called as Gemini Omni Flash, is Google's multimodal AI video generation and editing model. In simple words, it can take different types of inputs like text, images, audio, or even video and turn them into AI generated videos. For example, guys, you can type something like this: create a cinematic shot of a futuristic city at night with flying cars and neon lights. And believe me, Omni Flash can generate a video based on that idea. But the powerful part is not just generation, it also supports conversational editing. That means after generating a video, you can simply say, make the lighting more dramatic, or change the background to a rainy street, or make it vertical for YouTube shorts also. But you'd be wondering why this model is so important. Earlier, AI video tools were mostly prompt based. So like you entered one prompt and you waited for the result. And if something went wrong, you had to rewrite everything again. But Omni Flash works more like a creative assistant. You can build the video step by step, like first generate the scene, then improve the camera angle, then change the background, and then adjust the mood, and finally create a vertical version. Now this is going to do what? This is going to make AI video creation much easier for creators, marketers, educators, YouTubers, designers, and businesses. Now let us discuss why Omni Flash is very much important. Earlier, AI video tools were mostly prompt based. You just need to enter one prompt, wait for the result, and if something went wrong, then you had to rewrite everything again. But Omni Flash works more like a creative assistant. You can build the video step by step, first generate the scene, then improve the camera angle, then change the background, then adjust the mood. You can also create a vertical version for the YouTube short also. And this makes AI video creation much easier for creators, marketers, educators, YouTubers, designers, and businesses. Now let us discuss some of the key features of Omni Flash. So guys, first feature is that it supports text to video. You can describe a scene in words and it can generate a short AI video. Second, it supports image to video, means you can upload a product image, character image, or a reference picture and ask Omni Flash to animate it. Third, it supports native audio generation also. That means video can include sounds depending on generation feature available in your region and plan. Fourth, it supports multi-turn editing. This is one of the biggest features. You can keep improving the same video using the follow-up instructions. Fifth, it supports different formats like vertical and landscape videos. For example, guys, you can see all over here there are different frames available like 9:16, 16:9. And it is very much perfect for YouTube, Shorts, Reels, TikTok. And this format is very much effective for Shorts, Reels, TikTok, and YouTube videos. Now you'll be wondering how you can access Google Omni Flash. So all you have to do is go to the Google Flow, register your account or sign up. If you have a Google account, then it's fine. Otherwise, you need to create one and just go to the Google Flow all over here, and in here you can easily create it. So you can see all over here, I am easily able to access the Omni model all over here, and I can start creating something. And also there are limited number of credits available, like I am using a free version, so you can see I'm just getting 24 credits, which is kind of pretty less, but you can upgrade your model also. So let me show you the pricing subscription for Omni Flash. So this just type all over here Google Flow subscriptions, and so actually you don't even have to type Google AI. So guys, just go on Google One, and this is a one platform for all your subscriptions. So you can just sign up the AI plan all over here. So guys, you can see all over here, there are certain plans available. So first of all, you can try free of charge. So it is just create your account and use it for free, but the credits will be very less. Next one is Google AI Plus, that is 399 INR per month. Google AI Pro, which is around 1950. So here you are going to get 4x higher usage. You are going to get Google Flow with access to amazing models like Omni Flash. You can use it to create your amazing creative videos, create cinematic scenes, and also you can do Google search. You can also access Google Anti-Gravity, which is an amazing IDE. Also, you have Gemini in Gmail, Docs, Video, YouTube Premium. Also, you're going to get plus 5 TB of cloud storage. Pretty interesting. Otherwise, you can try Google AI Ultra, which is like 6,500 INR per month. If you are a very serious creator and if you are creating a lot of videos, then definitely this is going to be one of the most effective subscription plan, where you can get up to 20x higher usage limit. You're going to get 10,000 to 25,000 Google Flow credits also, with access to models like Omni Flash. Then you are going to get access to Google search, okay, which is the highest access to Gemini 3 Pro, deep search and agentic capabilities. So there are a lot of amazing things available since this is a higher end model. So I would suggest, if you are new, you can go with AI Plus, or if you want more credits, you can use definitely Google AI Pro. Now guys, let us go to Gemini and ask Gemini to give us a prompt to create an interesting video. Let's say, give me the prompt for the Google Flow, where I have to create a cinematic scene of, let's say, Norway winning the World Cup. So let's say I don't have much of the idea regarding camera angles and all, and so and lightning. So I can also just say that give a detailed prompt regarding lighting, camera angle, and the scenes. So this is just going to create a 10 seconds video, and let us try this. Let us wait for Gemini. So you can see it has given us the prompt. So you can see we can just copy here, go to the Google Flow, and just give this prompt. Make sure that you are using the model all over here, that is Omni Flash. Okay, so this is the thing, and you can select your frames. Let's say I go for 1916 frame. So there are number of repetitions. I just want only one, so let's just say, so right now it is going to create only a 8-second video, and let us give and press enter. Let's modify our prompt a little bit. Let's add create. So guys, you can see all over here, I have given the prompt, and now let us wait for the video. Now there will be amazing, interesting features also. You can edit the video all over here. So it is going to take a couple of time for it to create. Let us wait till our video is ready. So you can see there will be two versions of this video created, and you can see all over here that the amount of percent has started. So right now currently it adds. So guys, right now it is at 8%. It might take up some 1 to 2 minutes of time. So guys, it might take up around 3 minutes of time to actually make the video, but you can see our first video is ready. Let us try to see the 10-second video.
Champions!
So guys, now let us take a look at the video which is created by Omni Flash.
We did it! We are the champions!
Wow, it looks so amazing. Now let us look at the another version also, and you can see all over here you can add the frames all over here, trim it, and try a lot of interesting things all over here. So I'm just going to go back and let's try to look at this video. So you can see all over here the cinematic angle, the camera movement, and all it's happening. So definitely you can improve and improvise all upon here. Just you need to describe your edits. So it's kind of pretty easy and kind of user-friendly UI. So it will not be much of the problem. So guys, this is an amazing model by Google, which is Omni Flash, amazing for creating AI videos. So you can use it across uh, your, let's say, if you're creating any education video or any shorts, reels, or any entertainment content, this is pretty interesting and you should give it a try. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope so you would have enjoyed our today's video on Omni Flash. Thank you guys for watching this video.